Muy buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Me presento, mi nombre es Víctor Manuel Maras Gómez, estudiante de Ingeniería Electrónica. Eh, a continuación voy a hacer unos ejercicios de vocalización o de voz. Eh, Dice así: mi, si, la, re, el. Perdona. A continuación, una lectura en inglés dice lo siguiente: Have night one. Francisco students studying obtain his night house. He walks into his park and pulls off the cake. He throws the cream in the look and opens the door. He steps into the ring room, unlocking, run, they find the pelling of the ones turret in no footing the house in dirt, and so Bob he tried to open a wooden boot in the rock, but the house does not have a ring of room. He he wrote he walks it if it works. The plan looked terrible, but it is all he can afford. He counts his knocks, horns, and moody wind in his hand and opens the bark dog in it is in back continuum. Muchas gracias.